Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your games on your Google TV. And you have to do this through the Play Store. For some reason, it's not listed in the actual store, so I'm playing just Pac-Man right now. So if I go to the top and go on over to where it says search, right here, then go on down. Just type in Play Store or say Play Store in your remote. So I'm just going to type it in. And then at the top, there should be an option to switch from apps over to games. So let's just type this in. And it'll give you an entire list. So let's just type Play Store in. And then go to search. Or just hold down the microphone option on your remote, say Play Store. Now you're going to see all these apps. Go up to the top. Switch from apps over to games. And then here's all the games. So I was playing this Pac-Man game. That seemed to be alright. And you can connect a controller to your Google TV and you can start playing these games with that if you have a PS4 or Xbox controller. So I'm going to find a different game to play here and just see if that's any good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.